Hello everyone, Car Wash Man 18 here. Welcome back to Abandoned Car Wash. I am in Tallahassee, Florida at the abandoned Ryko Voyager II, or the Ryko Velvet Touch. Here is the pay machine. There used to be a set of brushes over here in my previous visit to this car wash a few years ago, but as you can see, they are gone. And here is the Voyager II. Still abandoned, still rotting away. Some of the electrical components. As you can see, the filament brushes are really beginning to rot away from being in this heat and this dry, not getting lubricated or anything. The sign, you can still make out the Velvet Touch. The two forward brushes. Wheel scrubbers. Right side dryer. There is absolutely nothing left of the top brush. The left side dryer. There is the treadle. Actually has two treadles. And you've got the undercarriage blaster in the distance and the drainage grate. The power box, and that's pretty much it. It is still here, and it's still abandoned a few years later. Well, this is Car Wash Man 18 saying thank you for watching the latest installment of Abandoned Car Wash. Hope you all have a good weekend, and I'll catch you on my next video.